Knowledge School Asif Nagar plus Ahad Techno School.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salam.
My name is Saud. Today I am going to say about Makharij poem and 10 points about it. चार है होठों से मा बा वा फा, ज़बान की नोक से 12, ता दा ग, ता दा ग, ज़ सा स, ला ना ग, और ज़बान के बीच से है जा शा या, और किनारों से है क का क, 6 है हलक से अ ह आ ह ग ख. The poem is having 10 qualities. Number 1, whole set. It teaches the complete set of 29 letters. Number 2, on fingertips. The poem uses hands, its fingers and fingertips. Each letter is assigned a position on hand. With the help of this poem, the children will have huruf al-tarjih and their makharij on their fingertips. Number 3, arranged. The letters in the poem are arranged to the makharij order, not to the standard order. The recognizing letter shape is not as a big challenge for non-Arab as saying them properly. Number 4, in groups. Almost each finger represents a group of letters having the same makharij. No need to memorize huruf halaqi, throat letters or other makharij groups separately because the poem already groups them properly. Number 5, with a rhyme. The poem has a simple rhyming word that talks about groupings and make it easy to memorize. Number 6, with action. It is taught with action to make memorization easy and interesting. Number 7, with attributes. The action relates to the attributes of the letters which are extremely important for the right recitation of the Quran with tajweed. They are meaningful movements. Number 8, repeated for different cases. The almost poem are repeated in different cases of mad, qalqala, hams, etc. This ensures further application as well as strengthening of the makharij, harakat and rules. Number 9, rules make sense. Several rules of tajweed such as shamsi and qamari letters, rules of nun sakina, tanween and rules of mim sakina, etc. can be easily explained by these makharij groups in a natural way. Number 10, application in reading words. The most powerful use of the poem can be reached when one starts reading the words. The action shows that can be very effectively to show the student how to read the words with the right articulation as well as attributes. Examples: sighadan, sighata, taqha. Jazakallahu khairan.